In this video, we're going to show you to install the mirror on your Hyundai Elantra located on your driver's side door. With the driver's side door open, you're going to go ahead and access this cover. We're going to use a trim tool here, and you want to pull this out and get the trim tool behind the edge of it and gently pry outward. Now there's going to be 3 little plastic buttons holding this in place. You're going to pull it straight out, and there's this here, and right here. It's going to give you access to the electrical connector. I want to go ahead and remove this connector. So this does slide off. On the top here, there's a little tab. What I want to do is push down on that and separate that. Now this here should be staying inside the door, like so. I'm going to go ahead and remove these 3 10mm nuts. I'm just going to use my 1/4-inch ratchet. You want to be careful not to drop these down inside the door, otherwise you're going to have to remove the entire door panel. Now as you remove this here, the mirror will start to pull out of the door. Now you can go ahead and grab that mirror assembly, just kind of wiggle it gently. And pull it off of the vehicle. Now before you install your mirror assembly, on the sail panel area here, there's going to be an outline. Comes right around and around here. This is where the replacement foam gasket is going to go. Now there's going to be a white backing on here. It's a protective backing, so you can use a little knife or something to peel this back. I'm going to peel back just a little bit for now, and I'm going to start on the bottom section here. And basically what you're doing is you're putting the gasket right inside the marking. It's already marked out for you, so it's nice and easy. So as you move this here, you're going to go ahead and form your gasket. Is pretty flexible. You don't want to pull on the gasket, you just want to separate the adhesive backing and just press it down into place. And we have this curve right here. So you do have to kind of work that there. Nice and easy. Make sure that's pressed down. You don't want to crush it, but make sure it's stuck to the sail panel. And now this is ready for installation. I want to go ahead and install our mirror. Make sure that the surface of the door is clean on the other side. Simply line up the studs and feed this through. I'm going to go ahead and get the nuts started. Now I got the top one started immediately. That way there it holds the mirror in place while I can get the other 2 started. Now we can go ahead and snug these down. All right, so once that starts to get snug, I'm going to go ahead and do this evenly all the way around. Now you're going to be checking the sail panel gap on the outside of the door itself, making sure that it's nice and flush. Make sure that mirror is nice and snug itself. These don't have to be super, super tight. You don't want to keep on over tightening these here, but you do want to make sure that they're good and snug. You're going to feel some good resistance on there. Once you feel good with that, go ahead and take your connector, line that up, and push this into place. You're going to feel it and hear it snap in. Now go ahead and take your cover. Simply line this up, push in gently. Once that cover's on, go ahead and put your key in the on position or push that button for the start accessory, and then you can go ahead and power and adjust your mirror. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.